Hi everybody. Here's a quick demo of the editor tools in the business directory. So, like most editors, you can select some text and then make it bold or not, italic, underline. You can change the color. You can change the size. 16 is a good body text size, and say 22 for headline size. You can change the font. Please use your discretion. The justification tools are also simple. Left is the default. You can align center, align right, or right and left justify. When you're positioning text, don't use spaces to position because they get dropped out. Instead, you can take, again, a section of text and indent it several times if you like, or extend it. This tool indents both the right and left sides of it. It only has one level, though. Tables are another way of formatting your listing. To add a table, click on the Table tool. You have various options, including how many rows and columns, the total width of the table, border size. You might want to turn that to 0 so you don't get lines in between your cells. And then you can put things in their different cells here. Note you can right-click on this, and there's a lot of different options you can play with the table, including going back to the original listing. There's a bullet and numbering tools here and here. So here, these are already bullets, but those were just separate lines, and then you make them into bullets like that, or change them into numbers easily enough. To add a image, click on the image tool. Then you can either, if your image is already on the web someplace, you can paste in the URL here, or go over to the Upload tab, find your image, send it to the server, and then you'll see it. In this case, I just put the image in full size, but you can see that's not exactly what I'd want. So if you double-click on the image and go back to its properties, note that you can go to the width here and say we'll just have it 250 wide. And we're going to align it to the right so it floats to the right side of the screen. And we'll take a look at like that. You'll see that it's on the right, nice and small, and the other text wraps around it. To add a video, first go to YouTube and find your video. Copy the URL here. Come back to your listing and then click on this video tool. Paste in your URL and click OK. You'll see, this is what you'll see in your listing, but if you hit submit and then bring up your listing on your full listing on the directory, you'll see your listing is there, your video is there, and it's playable right in your listing. In the digest, it'll show up as a link because we can't include video directly in the digest. Now, just a few special purpose tools. Here, if you're pasting in from formatted text, you might want to use this tool to paste in the plain text. If you paste in with formatting, it may work, it may mess it up. So if it messes it up, you can paste it in as plain text and it'll just get rid of all the formatting. If you're pasting in from Word, you can use this tool and just paste in here, and it'll try to work with the Word formatting and preserve as much as possible. You can use there's a few smileys here if you want to use it, and this tool will bring up some special characters for you to insert. All right, that wraps it up. Thanks for formatting your business directory listing. Let us know if you need some help, and we'll make sure it looks real nice for you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.